Oh man, look perfect. She forgot to lower the deck. So she did a very good job mowing, but she didn't really cut anything off. So that is kind of the inside joke here. JC Sky, sorry, had to throw you underneath the bus. You're really close, you know, being over here, so we just had to throw that. But yeah, so she mowed Clay's lawn, did not drop the mower deck down to cut any grass off. So yeah, she probably. Great pass there by the river rat. Again, Kevin Masterson. That is 680 cubic inches in the engine that is getting fed by a big 6.5-inch inlet on the turbocharger. We're going to go 368.05, 368.05. Somebody said my decibels had one to himself. I don't know, is that true, Mike? Is that pro song? So I brought it out here to the JunctionTown Showdown to compete against the River Rat and the Bull Wagon and Bulletproof Buck. But special edition 5.0 Steve Alsma, Worthington, Minnesota. Good pass for Steve Alsma again, Worthington, Minnesota. Now, when I said before that you saw Kevin Masterson going down the track, that was a 6.5-inch turbocharger underneath the hood. Steve Alsma on this one, this is running only a 5-inch on the turbocharger. E-Bob, I will give you that, but it does have a lanyard on it too. If you can identify that, we can give you your keys back to you. But the tractor coming up here to the sled right now, this is Matt Holland's tractor called Glutton for Punishment. Now Rob Russell, you saw him earlier on Joking Guys' Black 1066. Kind of took a bad run on that tractor coming down, got hooked to the right and hooked to the left. But he is sitting on board this tractor right now, Glutton for Punishment. Chasing the distance put out there by the River Rat of Kevin Masterson out of Grandview, Indiana, at 368.05. But Robbie Russell sitting on this tractor, Glutton for Punishment. They usually campaign a 10,000-pound pro stock, but had the unfortunate instance of breaking it at our tractor pole, so he's down a little bit. But get him in a seated different tractor tonight. But again, it's Matt Holland, Glutton for Punishment. Robbie Russell sitting on the seat of the tractor tonight. Again, Glutton for Punishment. Good pass there for the Glutton for Punishment. Your leader again out there at 368.05. Wow. Is it new leader? We have a new leader, 370.05, 370 and 05. Wow. So Robbie Russell and Glutton for Punishment goes 370.05. Kevin Masterson on the River Rat is now sitting in number 2 spot. And 368.05 and 2,000 special edition 5.0. We're back to Alex. Just give it another shot, see what happens. It's been a tough moment so far. Up and down, but I think we're gaining on it a little bit. picked the line, and you were the last truck of that class to come out. But you were last truck. I was fifth up. You were fifth up. Yeah. So, but whatever you kind of, did you think your distance was going to hold as you were going down through there? Did you think it was hold, or was it going to be one of them that you just didn't know?
After I rolled out about 75, 100 foot, I felt it wasn't that good. I was on a good line. I thought maybe it might be a good run after that. Yeah.
And you kind of stayed a little bit more over to this side of the track. It's full wagon. Good pass. Not able to get into that leader area, I do not believe. Kind of had to fight the steering wheel. Kind of watching the track. Kind of fishtailed around down there a little bit. Going to end up just a little bit short. Going to come in at 355, 119, 355 is 19 for Thomas Heading on the Bullwagon. That is going to lead him into number 3 spot as of right now. But John, go ahead and I'll let you kind of. So again, Connor Metting out there at 355.19. That is going to lead to the number 3 spot, sitting number 2, Kevin Masterson on the River Rat at 368.05. Rob Russell on the Glen for Bunny is out there at 370.05. Joe Harris out of Grandview, Indiana, coming up on the Tinker Toy. Now, they have done something different. We have not seen anybody try that side of the track for a little while. They're wondering if this side maybe is getting beat out a little bit. Maybe there's a little. And again, your leader, the glutton for punishment at 370.05. This is Joe Harris, Grandview, Indiana, on the Tinker Toy. Great job of driving there by Joe Harris on the Tinker Toy. Now, if you kind of heard what was going on, he let out of the throttle and the RPMs went way back up. He did a good job of pulling the kill, the fuel shut off, the fuel dump, to get everything shut off. Honestly, Julie, I think he had that thing shut down before any of the track crew knew that there was any kind of a problem. So, did a great job of doing that. So, Joe Harris, very good job of doing the driving on the Tinker Toy. This is going to be down just a little bit. 326.74, 326.74 for Joe Harris on the Tinker Toy. inches. But this is going to be Clint Netting, Nordheim, Texas. On the bulletproof front. Brandon Hartman, the hard score is sitting there in the number 1 spot at 379.49. Person on this one. I think Clint Netting, Nordheim, Texas, I think he just took the lead.
Yeah, it is. Been doing that all night.
He needed to beat 379.49. Osceola, Iowa, you have a new leader in the winner of the class. Going to go 381.16. I'll give you a rundown of the class finishing number